My skin has gotten so much brighter thanks to these two ingredients that I'm going to review for you guys in this video, so keep on watching. I recently came across Inside Cosmetics 2% hyaluronic acid and 2% alpha arbutin serum. Let me explain why it's brightened my skin. I'm sure you guys have already heard of how vitamin C is a brightening agent, but did you know that alpha arbutin is way more effective than vitamin C in brightening your skin? Why? Because alpha arbutin is actually glycosylated hydroquinone, and you already know that hydroquinone is an amazing brightening ingredient. So if you've got dark spots and even skin tone, alpha arbutin is going to stop the production of melanin in your skin and at the same time brighten the skin. I have been breaking out around my mouth area because of poor diet, and as you can see right now, it's not that dark anymore. Another reason why this works really well is because it has hyaluronic acid, and as I've mentioned before, hydration equals to glow. It has two ingredients to help brighten and hydrate the skin. So I would have to say that this is a well formulated serum. I use this every day, morning and night, after toning my face and before moisturizing. You guys should definitely do the same if you're interested. I mean, just look at it. Just look at that glow. If you guys have the same issues as me and you're also on a budget, then you should definitely check out this serum. It retails for $3.49. It really has made a difference in my skin. You can thank me later. Bye bye.